Okay, hello and welcome to this live session. This is the NFP live trading session. In a few more minutes, the news announcement will be released. Of course, these are all the news items that will be pumped into the market at once. All of this, sorry about that. All of this will be pumped into the market at once. The American dollar and the Canadian dollar will be feeling the heat any moment soon. Okay, so let's go through those pairs. I have already gone through the American dollar crosses, so we'll just pick all Canadian dollar crosses together. For the American dollar pairs, we have the American dollar against the Japanese yen. For this week, it's been a low volume market week. You can see price has just remained in one area. Okay, and it seems we are having a channel. Seems price has just been swinging up and down around that area. Let's see another one, the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. This one has been pushing to the upside, but in a very untradable pattern. You can see that little very crawly price behavior, but yet it is pushing to the upside. Sterling pounds against the American dollar, it's been flat there. I was looking at this in the weekly time frame that we might be placing a buy stop order somewhere above this level. Okay, but it is just a bit too far, and I am not really liking this, so I'll be following it in the 1 hour time frame. Possibly we'll be finding an entry. American dollar against the Swiss franc. American dollar against the Canadian dollar also has been flat for the entire week. Flat there, also waiting for the NFP. How about the Australian dollar against the American dollar? This one as well has been flat. It's been flat. All right, we'll wait for the news announcement. Euro against the American dollar, crawling gradually to the upside. This has been crawling to the upside, really not tradable at all. Okay, so let's bring all Canadian dollar pairs together as well. The New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, keep that here. That trend line is valid. Looking to the 4 hours time frame. Let's place this level around here. Okay, nothing more. Which other one? Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. This is a difficult one, difficult market condition. Place it there. Okay, another Canadian dollar pair. Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, GBP USD NFP down, sell now. Sell bro, GBP USD down for NFP. I see buy, but let's, if the result is announced and it goes down, well, that is luck. It is part of gambling. You won't say because you said it's going to sell, that's why it went down. Okay, all right, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, sideways as well. Okay, euro against the Canadian dollar. Let's see, this is challenging upper channel leg. Okay, just 2 minutes before that news announcement. Sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. This one has been in a wide range. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Again, very dirty market. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay, I think that's all. So bring them all together so we can easily, for easy reference. All right, so we need to wait for the news announcement. That's the way to trade the news. You need to wait for the news announcement. We're in the last minute, the very last minute of the news announcement. Okay, need to wait. This is sterling pound against the American dollar. Your forecast is that it's going to push down. Well, it could happen. That's very possible, but the news will speak first. Okay, in a few seconds. Okay, one more second. All right, the news should be out now. It should be out now. Let me it is released and the American dollar is losing strength. Let's take a look. I hope we will see some good impact. There is no need to rush over anything. Be patient. Right, quite bad numbers for the Canadian dollar. Bad numbers there. Just one good number, so it's mixed. American dollar as well. Two bad numbers and one green number, so it's mixed. We might not see a clear directional headway, so all we need to do is to wait, keep reading price action, be patient. It's important to always wait for the news announcement. It's important to always wait for the news announcement, for the news results. That's what shows directional bias. Okay, obviously need some time. Okay, New Zealand dollar against the so for us to find valid trading opportunities, we need to wait for at least 30 more minutes. The results are mixed, and so you must be able to read price action clearly before you jump into any trade. Okay, you can see pin bars here. Look at that. Euro against the American dollar. These pairs are pushing in our direction of analysis earlier this week. Oh, the Canadian dollar is dead. It's looking dead. Be patient. Don't gamble with your money. Canadian dollar looks dead. At least we will be taking one trade. At least we will be taking one trade. Canadian dollar is dead. It's the worst hit. But we must wait for the next 30 minutes. Okay, Canadian dollar is really dead. Again, we must wait for the next 30 minutes. Okay, there is no rushing about that. Welcome, Brian. Welcome to this live session. Okay, the NFP live session. This is the way to trade the news. You don't need to rush over anything. Don't predict the news. Don't gamble with your money. Just hold on. After the next 24 minutes, we will be able to know if we get an entry or not. Okay, there is no need to rush. Calm down, let the market digest the news results, and if there is any entry, we will definitely, all right, we'll definitely see them. If there is nothing, close your MetaTrader 4 and walk away. "30 minutes, we'll be able to figure out if we find anything interesting. Just keep waiting." Okay, so I'm going to turn the live session, the live screen down. We'll be back up a few minutes before the current 1 hour is exhausted. So just all right, Brian, welcome. Yes, patience. The name of this game is the core element of this business is waiting. All right, it's a waiting game. You must wait. You must wait. I'm actually looking to trade one of the Canadian dollar pairs. I'm looking to trade one of the Canadian dollar pairs, so just stick around. We'll be finding our entry very soon. Okay, all right, I'll be back. Just a little patience. I'll be back. Cheers.